Welcome to the DIA Global Annual Meeting Virtual Edition Pharma Voice Editor's Take video series. In this episode, Taryn Grome, Editor-in-Chief of Pharma Voice magazine, meets with MaryAnne Rizk, Ph.D., Senior VP, Digital R&D Strategy, IQVIA.
MaryAnne, welcome to the Editor's Take video program, and thank you for allowing us to be in your home office with you.
Thank you, Taryn. It's an absolute pleasure to be welcomed to the Editor's Take video.
MaryAnne, how is IQVIA Technologies supporting the digital transformation for patients, sites, and sponsors?
Innovation solutions are forging the next steps in our industry evolution. And the first step is understanding the patient's voice, really understanding their anticipated journey across the different stages, from being notified or even matching into a clinical study, consented, enrolled, randomized, engaged, and then potentially even be welcomed back for another study. We recognize that $38,000 are attributed to a single patient dropping out. And so what we've done as an industry is really take a look at how do we retain patients. So the industry shift from the site-centric to patient-centric centricity has created a paradigm shift, and it really allowed us to put the patient in the center, orchestrate around in terms of what are some of the direct-to-patient products, services, and experience that they're looking for. And so IQVIA Technologies were incredibly committed to help improve patients' lives and safety and ensure that we can partner with sponsors in order to remain future-centric in innovation. And some of those include the following. At the site level, we create solutions such that sites have on-demand access to real-time information for communication so they can stay informed. They have transparency in the ability to leverage site payments so that they have accuracy in the procedures and really improving the CRA productivity, reducing the need to phone a CRA. We've got randomization solutions that can enroll patients in little of 2 weeks. We have an e-consent application that's really easy to use. So sites can deploy these familiar SaaS solutions that have been around for nearly a decade and leverage it remotely for patients. The same with our eCOA and eDiaries, right? Being able to leverage solutions that are right in front of the patients and really create these applications right on the phones that are device agnostic. That also goes along with our telehealth, right? In order to establish the flexibility of at-home administration. We've also orchestrated services for patients, where that includes even sending a phlebotomist to the home health nursing, lab draws, IP shipment. So it's really incredible in terms of our ability to anticipate what that next patient step is going to be. As it relates to the sites, in terms of remote monitoring, site monitoring, we've really activated that engagement through our telehealth tools. And it's a really exciting time. We're leveraging AI and ML to predict analytics for site, study, and patient risk assessments. So that is really how we've done our job in order to improve the health outcomes.
Excellent. Let's dig a little bit deeper into that. Let's talk about how you believe this increased virtuality and digitization is going to lead to a new era of patient care.
So when we look at the increasing virtual and digital in this new era for patient care, it really allows us to think about how we're improving the patient's experience and establish new digital skills at the site level. So as an example, the role of the CRA is evolving. We're not going to siteless trials. We're going to digitally enabled site trials powered by patient centricity. And so with telemedicine empowered, we are expanding the cohort of patients that can participate in a trial and really leveraging analytics and digital tools that really are going to help our sites improve those quality standards, accelerate time to value, and of course, allow them to see more patients. And so we're incredibly excited about the accomplishments we've been making in partnership with sites to really help our patients.
Tell me, how can making clinical development part of patient care change the trajectory of health outcomes?
Like I said, it goes back to the patient's needs of driving their outcomes. We recognize there's a convergence between life sciences and healthcare, where we're able to forge relationships at the patient level with some of our direct-to-patient access, really empowering sponsors to really stay connected. And that allows us to remain part of clinical as a care option and really perform and provide additional services for patients. So in summary, we are really excited here at IQVIA Technologies to really drive a shift in the marketplace, to have some predictive intelligence. And the way we do that is across our orchestrated clinical trials platform. It's made out of Site Suite, Patient Suite, and Trial Management Suite so that we can have a consistent opportunity to drive intelligent, intuitive, and interoperable experiences for sites, patients, and sponsors.
MaryAnne, thank you so much for being part of our Editors Take video program and sharing your insights on how increased virtuality and digitization will lead to a new era of patient care.
Thank you so much for having me, and look forward to continue serving our industry.
For more information about IQVIA, visit www.iqvia.com.